The error code F29 on a Siemens washing machine indicates a problem with the water supply. This issue can be caused by a faulty flow sensor, a clogged tap, or a blockage in the drain hose. To fix the problem, it is necessary to inspect the flow pressure. Turn off the water supply valve. Remove the fill hose from the rear of the machine and aim it into an empty bucket. Then, turn on the valve and check the flow pressure. If the pressure is high and steady, the flow sensor may be faulty and require a replacement. However, if the pressure is low, with less than 1 bar, it is necessary to inspect the tap and drain hose for blockages. Ensure the tap is clear of obstructions and check that the drain hose and filters are not clogged. If blockages are found, clear them and straighten any bends or kinks in the entrance hose. If the issue persists after these steps, it may be necessary to contact a professional, such as a qualified technician familiar with similar machines, for a thorough examination of the unit.